Hi friends, here I am telling you how to extract the pure oil or fat from the fresh cream of milk. Yeah, this is pure and fine fresh fat or oil or butter extracted from the fresh cream. Here we gathered lots of fresh cream from the milk. As you know, when we boil the milk, the upper layer contains lots of fat. The whole fat of the milk is in the fresh cream. That's why we can uh, use it in many purpose of our cooking. Here I am putting in a big pan all the fresh cream, freezed and preserved in refrigerator or freezer. Here it is on cooking. As well as we cook it, we can see the fat on it. We will cook in continuously by stirring the spatula in it. Some cardamom crushed and crushed in a pot, and we will add in the fresh cream during cooking for best fragrance or smell. It reduces a good smell in fat. Stir continuously to prevent it from burning. It takes time, but finally we get best results. So be patient during cooking. Here it is finally cooked in dark brown color, and all the fat or ghee, as we call it ghee, uh, is separated. So we strain it, and finally you can see the result. This is the required thing as we need. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.